When you talk to technology companies, they say, okay, fail fast and often. That doesn't necessarily apply to the industry.
Nobody likes to do a pilot, let's be honest.
Digital transformation has to be across the company initiative, and it has to be a sponsor of senior management.
Gone are the days that companies want to spend large dollars experimenting with AI.
Digital transformation is here to stay, and this was probably something that is going to leverage the acceleration.
WhatNext is a platform as a service and an ecosystem that connects 12 exponential digital technologies to the business objective and needs of industry. It combines carefully curated analyst insights with a technology adoption ecosystem that constitutes of industry players, venturing community, a global startup network, and technology adoption enablers.
So really the 4 takeaways for today's webinar is selecting the right use case, selecting the right vendor for that use case, return on capital employed, and then we'll go through a couple of customer success stories. Deloitte predicts that 76% of CXOs believe that AI will substantially transform their companies in the next 3 years.
But over 60% of them stated that they were not happy with the returns received from digitalization projects they had implemented.
So there are massive industrial inefficiencies in the industrial markets today.
Industry experts say that 70% of the data acquired in the industry is unusable or not to say useless. We believe that every initiative should start with a clear vision of creating massive amounts of value.
Nowadays, companies have thousands of options for digital transformation. The key is finding the right one that not only delivers on that use case, but is the right one and the right fit for your organization.
In order to accomplish this objective, an operation needs a platform to rapidly integrate and be capable of flexible descriptive analytics to visualize.
If you want to optimize your entire system, you obviously need a system-centric digital solution.
This is an example of a water flow operation optimization. We can see there are opportunities to reduce injection while maintaining similar levels of production.
Henkel is the largest industrial adhesives manufacturer in the world. Ultimately, what Henkel wanted to do was to have the ability to predict.
In this case, the operator wanted to evaluate the drilling program for the following year.
Addison UTI is the 3rd largest onshore drilling contractor in the US. They approached us with a problem statement of a lack of granular insights into rig state activities.
Are there any types of projects or use cases that can unlock significant additional revenue or cost savings in a short period of time? For companies that are starting off, would you recommend a few bigger projects or numerous smaller ones? Do you typically see a pushback from operators on adopting your technology? For the entire oil and gas value chain, in your experience, which part of it offers the most substantial return on capital employed when it comes to digitalization initiatives? Post a successful pilot, have you ever faced challenges in scaling up a solution? How is the COVID-19 situation going to impact, let's say, digitalization over the next few months?